This is the government data, and this is the most authentic data. So, and there are too many numbers here. Simplify this.
Yeah, I just wanted to showcase how
Yeah.
how data can substantiate this statement that app-based taxis is a problem of every Goan and not just of the tourists. Now, if you look at the tourist arrival data in the state of Goa, both the Indian tourists as well as the international tourists, and if you consider their average length of stay, and if you assume that out of the duration of the stay, 25% of the stay duration will convert into one taxi trip. So the number of trips that we can generate is almost 1.32 crores. You can do this math and you will get the same figure. On the other hand, if we estimate a population of 15,70,000 for the state of Goa, and just take a very conservative estimate that 3% of Goans will use app-based taxi, which I think is very, very conservative.
Very
On every single day, then demand generated for the taxi trips will be much higher than the demand generated by the tourists.
It is almost 40 lakhs higher.
Yes. So
40 lakh more trips.
Yeah.
So, Falya, if Goans start using the taxi service, there will be 40 lakh more trips, and it will be this plus this.
Correct.
When you look at the size of the industry, in as far as the quantum of the trips is concerned, so it will be 1 crore 32 lakhs 45,000 and 1 crore 71 lakh 91 tons. So almost 40 lakh trips more.
Yes.
Compared to the tourist demand, if locals start using it. And you are saying that if locals get access to such a transport service, that almost 65% of the trips will come from locals and only 35% will come from tourists.
Yes.
So that's the market size that we are stifling right now.
Correct. And I think traditionally we have been always looking at servicing the tourists. But it is also time and it's a necessity that if you look at the Goan economy, as much as tourism is important, industries are also important. Manufacturing is very important. So many women, so many workers keep commuting to various industries, various industrial estates. So therefore the demand is present, and this is some market that a lot of taxi businesses can tap into also.